This question says, what will be the outcome if the sand and pebbles that are currently placed separately in the jar are mixed? Will it be A, the jar will overflow, B, the jar will remain at the same level, or C, the level will go down? So let's consider our system here for a second. We have a glass jar, which has a fixed volume, so it's not going to expand or contract in any situation. And we have two different layers. We have this sand layer here at the bottom, and we have this rock layer above it. Now, if we consider this sand layer, what we can see is that there's essentially no vacancies. There's no empty space here in the sand layer. These sand granules are very, very, very close together. They're of relatively uniform size. So again, we see there are not these larger vacancies that are present as is in the above case. Because these rocks, which are much larger individually, are of quite different shapes and even of different sizes. You can see this longer rock here, you can see more spherical rocks here, and this results in a bunch of vacancies. There's a lot of unoccupied space between the individual rocks. So if we then consider again what would happen if we were to mix them, for example by putting in the rock layer first and then pouring the sand on top, well, these very small sand particles, or granules, will be able to find their way into these vacancies that permeate the rock layer. And by doing so, they're making use of this currently unused space that's present because of those size and shape disparities. So, therefore, the level will go down because more of this space will be used rather than taking up separate volume. So therefore, the answer is C. The level will go down.